Coffee linked with longer life. Drinking coffee may be key to a longer life. In this video, we will explore the potential link between coffee drinking and an extended lifespan. We will look at the benefits and risks of coffee consumption and why it may be beneficial to your health. By the end of this video, you should have a good understanding of the potential benefits of drinking coffee and how it may be linked to a longer life. So, let us dive in. Coffee the key to a longer life? Recent studies have linked coffee consumption with a longer life and better health. Coffee has been found to reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and diabetes, and its antioxidant content in coffee may protect against certain types of cancer. Coffee consumption has also been found to reduce inflammation in the body and boost mood, decrease fatigue, and improve concentration. Drinking coffee in moderation is key to enjoying all of its benefits without any adverse effects. For example, consuming too much caffeine can cause jitterness, sleeplessness, or irritability. So be sure to stick to the recommended amounts below if you want to enjoy all of the great benefits that coffee has to offer without any negative side effects. Coffee's benefits and risks. Coffee is a beverage that is enjoyed by many people around the world. It has been linked with a number of health benefits, including longer life. However, like any other beverage, coffee also has its risks. Research suggests that drinking coffee may decrease the risk of premature death. This is likely due to the many antioxidants found in coffee beans. These antioxidants work to protect cells from damage and may help to reduce the risk of diseases such as cancer or heart disease. Why coffee may help you live longer? 1. Coffee could help reduce the risk of death. According to some studies, coffee may help reduce the risk of death from a variety of causes, including heart disease and stroke. In fact, one study found that people who drink coffee regularly are 25% less likely to die from any cause over a period of 10 years than those who don't drink coffee at all. 2. Coffee is linked to lower rates of disease. Not only does coffee reduce the risk of death, but it's also linked to lower rates of many different diseases. For example, research has shown that people who drink coffee have a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes and other chronic diseases like coronary heart disease and stroke. 3. Coffee can have a positive effect on our brain health. One reason why coffee may be so beneficial to our health is because it helps to improve our brain function and overall cognitive abilities. In fact, studies have shown that regular consumption of coffee can even increase intelligence levels in adults. 4. Coffee has antioxidants and other healthy compounds. Some common antioxidants found in brewed cafe include polyphenols such as catechins, nitrogen-containing constituents such as L-theanine, chlorogenic acid, a free radical scavenger, magnesium, which affects blood sugar levels, potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, vitamin E, a lipid-soluble antioxidant, among others. All these contribute towards overall better brain health. 5. Coffee may even improve your mood and concentration. Some people believe that caffeine may actually improve your mood by increasing energy levels while at the same time improving concentration levels, both key ingredients for productivity. In conclusion, coffee is a beverage that has been linked to numerous health benefits and may even help to extend life. It is packed with antioxidants which can help protect against certain types of cancer, as well as reduce the risk of death from cardiovascular disease. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to now to watch more coffee videos.